For 3D printing applications that deal with reactive powders, the C-10EX IT-63 may be the vacuum for you. It is third-party certified for use in Class 2, Division 2, Groups F and G environments. It comes with a complete 3D toolkit to help you access every nook and cranny of your 3D printer's build chamber. Fill the detachable recovery tank with water to render the combustible properties of metal powders inert. Watch the liquid level indicator to know when the tank is sufficiently filled. The degassing valve will open while the vacuum is inactive to allow hydrogen gas buildup to escape. With 110 CFM of airflow and a pressure of 107 inches water lift, up to 11 pounds of substances can be recovered efficiently. The toolkit provides a variety of nozzles to help you access every part of your build chamber, including the conical nozzle and round brush tool. To empty the recovery tank, begin by detaching it using the handle and then removing the baffle system. Drain the contaminated water responsibly, as required by your government's safe disposal regulations. Once fully drained, remove the sieve basket and dump the remaining fluid. Dispose of the accumulated silt according to your government's regulations. The C-10 IT-63 is third-party certified dust ignition protected by CSA and IECX safety standards and complies with NFPA 77 recommended practices on static electricity. To learn more about our industrial vacuum and dust collection systems, visit Tiger-Vac.com or email us at sales@tigervac.com.